Here we're going to go over what happens in the amygdala when we're presented with a fear stimuli. Initially, we see a ghost. The input goes to our thalamus, which then goes to our visual cortex, aka V1. This is known as the high road, and it's the slower of the two processes we're going to go over today. Secondly, the thalamus communicates with the amygdala, which activates the fear and alertness response. First, the amygdala communicates with the hypothalamus, which tries to figure out what exactly it is we're seeing and compares it to our previous memories. The pituitary gland then communicates with the adrenal gland, which sits on top of the kidneys. The adrenal gland is full of adrenaline, a stimulating hormone that enhances this response. The adrenaline goes up to the blood-brain barrier, which it cannot directly cross. However, it does activate the locus coeruleus, which is sitting just on the other side of the barrier. The locus coeruleus is already sitting there full of adrenaline, and when it is activated from the other side of the blood-brain barrier, it releases this adrenaline, which goes to the amygdala. The amygdala then communicates with the cortex and the basal ganglia, which hold the potential for long-term potentiation. In order to stop this process, the prefrontal cortex and the anterior cingulate are both activated, which essentially put a brake on the whole process, stopping the fear response.